guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today for Target Tuesday, I decided to go ahead and walk through the Target Cartwheel app with you guys. So many of you guys asked me, what is Target Cartwheel? I did a how to use your CVS app video and you guys requested for me to go ahead and do Target Cartwheel. So that is what I am doing today. But before I get started, so many of you guys had requested what lip color I was wearing in my Target video. I'm actually wearing the same lip color that I was in my in-store Target video. And it is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip, and this is in the color Fight Free Radicals is what it's called. So this is the color right here. It is a blue toned red, so I love it, obviously, since I'm wearing it again. So this is my go-to red. So you can get this at CVS, but if you don't have a CVS near you, I'll have it linked below in the description box. You can just order it on Target and you can get free shipping with your red card, and then you could save 5%. So that's what I was wearing on my lips, and I will go ahead and do a makeup tutorial with the makeup that I did in my Target in-store video. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out below. So Target Cartwheel. All of us couponers that do deals at Target, we always mention Target Cartwheel. So first thing you need to do is you need to download the Target app, and you can go ahead and do that in your app store. And Target Cartwheel used to have a separate Target Cartwheel app, but then they merged it together with the Target app. So when you go into your Target app, you're gonna see a little area that says Target Cartwheel offers. Now these typically reset every single Sunday. So there's a whole list of different categories. So there's baby, there's apparel, back to school, food. So what I do on Sunday times is, so what I do every single Sunday is I'll log into my Target app, and then I'll click all. And then the first thing that I want to do is I want to see what the highest discount is. So as you can see, you still have that Baby Bell 50% off. You still have the mug 50% off. So basically this is telling you guys that you're going to get 50% off of that particular item. Also inside Target Cartwheel are one-time use coupons. I'm going into the food section, and you'll see something that says $1 off right here for the pre-cooked meatballs. So this is a one-time use coupon. So this is a manufacturer coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your Target Cartwheel barcode, and it's the same as a paper coupon, but this coupon is a one-time use coupon. So once you've used it, it's gone. You can't use it multiple times. So and then when you want to go and check out at the register, you want to scan your Target Cartwheel barcode. So what you do is you click this little icon right here that says wallet. And then there is a little scanner right here that the cashier is going to scan. And then also inside the Target app, this is where you're going to find those Target coupons. So there is a little prompt for you to click to coupons, and as you can see, there's a 5% off for the optical, but then the hot coupon everyone's using right now is that spend 50 get 15 off. So you can just go ahead and use a digital coupon at checkout, and it looks like there's another one for the beauty personal care. So when you get those $5 gift cards when you spend $20 or more in beauty, this is the coupon that you're going to go ahead and scan. So another feature that's really cool inside the Target Cartwheel is their little scanner. So I'm gonna go back to the home screen, and you see the barcode right there. It's gonna give you a option to go ahead and Annie's mac and cheese, because there is a 20% off Target Cartwheel. So I just scanned the Annie's mac and cheese, and as you can see, a 20% off Target Cartwheel popped up for the Annie's mac and cheese, and then it automatically saves that offer to you. So if you want to look to see what is inside your Target Cartwheel, if you want to kind of refresh your mind and say, okay, what is inside my Target Cartwheel? This is kind of like my revolving shopping list also. So now I'm going to go ahead and scan another barcode. So I'm going to scan the Annie's Organic Crispy Snack Bars. So there is a 50% off coupon inside Target Cartwheel. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and see that. So I just scanned the barcode right there, and it says there's a 50% off one. So it automatically saved to my Target Cartwheel barcode. And if you go down, back down to your wallet right here, there's gonna be a part that says Target Cartwheel offers. So as you can see right there, I just scanned the Annie's box and that 50 cent off coupon popped right back up. So when you go to checkout and you scan this right here, then that 50 cent off is gonna take off for purchasing the Annie's. So it is basically a digital coupon is what it is. So the Target Cartwheel is so incredibly easy to use. What I do is before I get into the checkout line, I literally will use the barcode and scan everything to make sure I didn't miss anything. So a lot of times the Market Pantry is gonna have at least a 5% off Target Cartwheel. A lot of times the Archer Farms products, the Simply Balanced products, basically all the Target brand stuff, up and up, there's likely to be a Target Cartwheel associated with the item. So the Target Cartwheel is such a useful and helpful app for you guys to save money. Unfortunately, you can't utilize the cartwheels online most of the time. Sometimes they'll let you do it, sometimes they won't, but that'll just be an online promo. But definitely download Target Cartwheel and start using it in store because it is such a fantastic way to utilize saving money. So, what else did I just kind of mention? You could also sign in with your Target Cartwheel account online and you can physically print out the barcode of your Target Cartwheel. So just in case, you know, your phone dies, you can always have a copy of your barcode for the cashier to scan because that's happened to me so many times. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Definitely check out my Target in-store video in the description box of this video if you haven't caught up. And I'm also going to leave a picture of the winners of there's one winner for the pineapple ceramic dish full of goodies, and then I also had 2 winners for the St. Ives coffee scrub. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave those winners in the description box as well as add in a picture of the winners. So I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Don't forget to hashtag Target Tuesday if you guys are enjoying my Target Tuesday video. So I will talk to everyone later. Bye.